Do not try this at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to try a very recent viral hack that I'd seen on Instagram and YouTube shorts. So let's see how it turns out. So basically in this hack, they apply red lipstick all over the contouring areas. I am not exactly sure what this hack is supposed to do, make the foundation look good, not sure, but they definitely apply too many layers on top of it, then go with concealer and all of that stuff, and then finish off the makeup. So I'm really curious to see how this turns out, because this is definitely how normally makeup is done, and this is definitely something I wouldn't recommend. I have a lot of videos up on my channel where I have shared how to contour, how to do color corrector, so please go check that out if you're looking for some tips. But for this video, I'm making this video just for fun, just to see how the entire hack turns out. So let's get started. So I have already prepped my face with moisturizer and a little bit of primer. I normally don't use primer that often, but for today's tutorial I have applied primer so that the multiple layers goes very smoothly. So now I'm going to start with the red lipstick thing. Okay, so I'm using my red liquid lipstick for this, and I'll start by applying it this on the forehead. I think I applied too much on this side. I will try first with my beauty blender, and if this turns out to be very difficult, then I will try with my brush, because I feel my brush is more quicker and easier to work with. See, what happens with lipstick is once you apply it and you have to like spread it across your lips. Obviously it's meant to apply on the lips. You apply it and then spread it properly. But if you are like applying it on the face, it's going to take a very long time and to blend. So by the time you move to the other side, it's going to fully dry up. As you can see what is happening over here, it's completely dried up, because that's how it is formulated, so that once it has been applied and spread properly, it dries up and it doesn't transfer much. Here also it's not looking great, but this side is more worse. I look very funny when I look in the bigger mirror. For concealer, I'm using my PAC full coverage concealer. My concealer is like really like proper full coverage concealer, but it does dry up quickly, so you have to like blend one side and then apply on the other side. But just for this hack I've applied it all over, so we can see how the overall look turns out. I'm trying very hard to blend, but it's getting difficult. It's getting more and more difficult, and my face is burning. The concealer has become like very start caking up, because obviously the face is not, the base makeup is not proper. So let's move on to the next step, which is application of the foundation. So for this for today I'm using a very fluidy liquidy sort of foundation. So I'm going to use my Makeup Forever foundation. So this is how they apply. Normally I don't apply it like this, but that is how I've seen them applying. Actually, you know what, it looks very it looks not bad in the when you see from far, but in close up you can actually see it looks like red. It gives a very reddish sort of tint when you see from close up. So since it looks very good from far and very bad from the close up, I do want to show you a zoomed in look. You can see here the red lipstick was just not blending properly, so I tried very hard to blend, so the red patches are still there. Even this side, like it's completely dried up, so it was very difficult to blend. And yeah, so all the redness is still there over here. I'm going to finish off this makeup with a little bit of lipstick and mascara and then show you the final results. You can see my mouth area, it's become very cakey, and as the day goes by and if you keep this makeup on for longer, it will just keep on getting cakey and patchy all over the face and crease all over the face. So yeah, it looks great from distance, but from in close up it looks really horrible. That's my overall conclusion about this makeup. I hope you did enjoy this tutorial, and if you did, do go and check out my other videos where I've shared some genuine professional tips which could help you to get a flawless base makeup anytime and every time. So yeah, that's all from my today's video. If you're interested in skincare, I make a lot of skincare review videos, so do subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next